ManilaBlock, if used for temporary housing. During calamities or natural disaster, there is a need for a fast construction of temporary shelter for affected families. Normalization of affected areas may take days, weeks, or months. The temporary housing should still be able to provide decent, comfortable, and safe housing for the affected families. Some families may be required to evacuate from the calamity area, and once a suitable location for temporary shelter is found, the ground is leveled and clear of debris. Once the house floor area is marked on the ground, excavation can proceed. With reference to the approved engineering drawing for the depth and measurement of excavation, a delivery truck with the initial materials, roofing, and wood trusses to be placed in one area near to the site, while the ManilaBlock stays on the delivery truck. By measuring the depth and width of excavation, the ManilaBlock can be installed horizontally inside the excavated area to act as a wall footing foundation. Spacing of the vertical bars can follow, with one end bent to the direction of the walls. First layer of ManilaBlock are to be placed, making connections as required to ensure each block is leveled and plumbed. All of this to be done without the use cement mortar or by use of dry stacking only. Another layer is to be placed with the ManilaBlock to achieve the height just above the excavation. Once this elevation is reached, backfilling of the excavation can now proceed. This is to secure the ManilaBlocks in place and prevent unnecessary movement during placement of additional layers. Placement of horizontal steel reinforcement can now proceed to add rigidity to the wall. Additional layers of ManilaBlock is placed while taking note of opening for the windows. If you can notice, from the delivery truck, the ManilaBlock is being installed directly to the walls. An additional layer of horizontal reinforcement bars can also be placed without stopping the work. When the vertical bars has already reached its installed height, additional vertical bars can be installed on the same similar manner and can be accepted on the empty cells. Windows can now be installed. Finishing can be done also by use of cement to secure it in place or by use of expansion bolts. Doors can also be installed directly. Floor tiles can now be proceed installation. Kitchen sink can also be now bolted into place. Since the ManilaBlock is a dry stacking, once the wall is already erected, it can immediately receive loads. Hanging cabinets can already be installed without waiting for curing, as ManilaBlock is a dry stacking interlocking blocks. Roof trusses can now proceed a similar installation with other concrete hollow blocks housing projects. So we have now done one row house, and succeeding row house can also be installed in a similar manner.